True or false? It's okay to post a video on YouTube that shows how to make or sell counterfeit currency. The answer is false. Content meant to sell illegal or certain regulated goods and services, such as currency, drugs, and more, is not allowed on YouTube. Let's take a look at a few examples. In one video, a creator uploads a comedy sketch in which characters act out making fake IDs to get into an exclusive club. In another video, a creator links to a site that sells fake passports. Do either of these videos violate our community guidelines? Yes. The second video violates our sale of illegal goods or services policy. We restrict content that intends to sell certain regulated or illegal goods and services through direct sales or links to sites that sell these items. But what about a video that links to a site that sells pharmaceuticals without a prescription? Is that allowed? To learn more, go to the YouTube Help Center article on the sale of illegal goods or services. Click here or the link in the description. Thanks for watching.